So after the argument continues between Mpumi and Maruna. So Maruna was given a task by Ubongo ukuthi akahamba ayo press conference ayosho ukuthi Genesis wasn't involved in drugs and no one gave ama-artist at Genesis ama-drugs, especially her. So on the other side, bafethu Mpumi is still standing on business because we're business partner and a partner Gabriel. So as you can see, she's flexing it off. She's telling them ukuthi she has some business to sort out. It's getting serious lapana revelation. Kuba serious ngempela lapana. Kuyajumpa ngempela kuyashuba. But the tension actually continues because remember guys, Maruna dumped Genesis for a Revelation Records. So as you can see, Maruna, Mpumi is actually in the meeting with the journalists, you understand? So as you all know, journalists they are all threatened by Gabriel. But they don't listen to Mpumi. So Mpumi was addressing them about everything she has to hear in the radio or articles has to be about a Revelation Records, because Genesis is always on the headlines. She's tired of hearing Genesis. So she wants a Revelation to be on the headlines, you understand? Everything that has to be spoken about should be Revelation. The first name that they have to utter out of their mouths should be Revelation Records, you understand? So she was actually setting the record straight with him. Genesis, and she doesn't want to hear anything about Genesis. And unfortunately, Lama journalists were actually underestimating Mpumi because she doesn't have power. Gabriel is the one that is the CEO of Revelation Records. But remember guys, Mpumi also agreed with she doesn't mind sharing the legacy of Revelation Records, no Gabriel, of which I do think Mpumi is fooled today. So looking up until it happens. But Mpumi is fooled lapana. Mpumi is used yabona. So Gabriel ufuna ukuthi asebenzisane nomuntu azokwazi ukuthi agabe ngaye and hide behind ngalo muntu loyo. And then when it's all said and done, yabona seyayamalala futhi. As you can see ke bafethu bayamhleka ke lapha ama journalist ambuza ukuthi who do you think you are? Who do you think you are ukuthi angazobatshela ukuthi bona bewenza kanjani umsebenzi wabo regarding Revelation Records, you understand? And besahleka kanjalo Mpumi was the one who had the last laugh because Gabriel had to step in and defend Mpumi, you understand? Ushilo Gabriel ukuthi hayibo yonke into esho Mpumi iqiniso, you understand? They have to actually set the record straight and actually headline Revelation more than the headline Genesis. So Maruna came to beg lapha nokubonke emtshela ukuthi she doesn't want to fight ubonke in Genesis, uyabona. And regarding that fact ukuthi Maruna isn't really ready to speak on the press conference telling the people or addressing the people ukuthi she wasn't, or Genesis wasn't involved into drugs, you understand? So ubonke gave Maruna a statement. I don't know which statement it was, you understand, because they didn't actually really dwell on the statement. But Maruna was given a statement, I understand, it's okay, that's a statement I think it had something to comply with the Genesis or something like that. But Ubongo did not change his mind. He wanted Maruna to go up there and speak. No one is actually involved into drugs. And obviously, Gabriel was the one who was trapping Genesis into drugs. I understand. So Amapoyesa were the ones who were raiding Genesis, thinking that Genesis had drugs. I understand. And Gabriel was the one who was shuffling drugs to Ishmael Banumsis. Understand. But that truth hasn't come out as yet. So Maruna, I think she finally agreed to actually go into the press conference and confess that there are no drugs involved by Genesis. And as for her personally, on the other side, Gabriel is furious about regarding the behavior that they're giving Mpumi. So Mpumi bafethu ufikile lapha na wazenza umuntu obaphathayo because she believes ukuthi when she is Gabriel's partner, she can say anything to anyone. So bafethu Gabriel lapana and sat down, told the journalists they must not disrespect Mpumi like that, because if they disrespect Mpumi, they are also disrespecting a Revelation na Gabriel. And Gabriel akazwani ke nokudelela, you understand? So ama-journalists felt nervous for some time. They respect to Gabriel. I say ukuthi no, it was a misunderstanding. They are sorry. They're gonna do what Gabriel is telling them to do. On the other side, ibandla liyafika, ibandla lantshontsha imali likaWendy liyafika lapha, they come in singing at her house, and you can see in the pictures, guys, Wendy isn't bothered. I don't think Wendy futhi is a religious person like that. She isn't even bothered. She's not standing up. She's not even like, yabona, triggered. Okay, these people are coming into the house. They're stepping into the house. They're singing songs and whatsoever. Well, I can personally say this scene was actually funny because I laughed a bit. Okay, how can you steal 8,000 from a loan shark business owner or a loan shark business woman and then come there, you understand? So these people actually came to refund and repay uWendy the 8,000 that they stole. But it wasn't the priest, again umfundisi owayitshontsha imali kaWendy. Omunye umfundisi who was in the congregation who came to actually refund and repay uWendy the 8,000. By the way, uWendy also wanted some interest on top, the fully interest at 30%, yeah, 2.5. And then Lumfundis loan I had to give uWendy 100 rand on top, you understand? But get uWendy 8,000 rand. I think she was satisfied and happy. She got back her money at least, but ubefuna interest on top, of which I don't think was actually possible or necessary because imali yakho suyitholile. 8,000 is a lot of money, but I believe she's satisfied about because bethe bephuma wabese ibali imali yakhe. Moving on, so Gabriel is chilling with a radio presenter, I can say, or a radio DJ who does not play ingoma zase Revelation, instead udlala ingoma zase Genesis. So Gabriel is actually jealous ukuthi this guy who's a radio DJ and a radio presenter is overpraising Ishmael and telling everyone in the national radio which Ishmael is the golden boy because of him saying by Genesis. Well, actually, I can basically say this guy is actually praising Genesis more than he is praising Revelation. And Gabriel yena upraise Genesis more than Revelation records. So he wants ukuthi imlomo yama radio DJ nama radio presenters igcwale nge-Revelation. The mouths have to be full because of a Revelation records, not a Genesis records. So he was concerned with why is this guy playing ingoma zase Genesis rather than playing an album Gabasitana, which also dropped recently. You understand? Because all they talking about radio is Ishmael and other artists like Pastor Genesis, including Abu Maruna, but they are not talking about Revelation Records. They're not talking about album Gabasitana. They're not playing Revelation Records music. They're not playing Basitana's recent album. Also, these are the picks, I believe, which are kind of evidence. I don't know which picks are these. I think it was a submission of a song to this radio presenter, which Gabriel thinks is kind of a bribe. I don't know if it's actually true. I don't know if it's the drug rate or a guy or a person submitting their songs to the radio station in order for their songs to play on radio. So Stapia nowenze umawenza was actually confused to Stapia umbizelani, but we all know manje ukuthi Stapia ufuna ndi kumawenza. Stapia just wants money from uWendy to go drink, and recently obviously uWendy utholile imali yakhe from the congregation. They repaid her money, so I think she's satisfied, but Stapia keep on knocking on the door to actually come and ask for the money. Stapia nje ufuna imali yophuza, and I'm not sure if uWendy umnikile leyo mali leyo or uzomnika or something. So moving on, Ubongo is actually doing phone calls regarding the press conference. So bayamfuna Maruna, they want Maruna heads down. They want Maruna. They want Hans Maruna's head to come to the conference and come and speak and confess that she has got nothing, or Genesis has nothing to do with drugs. In order for Genesis's name to be cleared, and to get their deals footing. And now Gabriel is also making phone calls. I think this radio presenter is now Gabriel's slave, because that radio presenter was easily threatened by Gabriel. Maruna finally arrives by Genesis, and probably she was convinced by Bongo to figure Lapano, understand. And she popped up to come and actually announce Genesis impathe kahle, Genesis yaphatha kahle ama-artist ayo, Genesis has the nicest staff, you understand. They treat their workers equally, and there's no illegal form of drugs that is actually involved by Genesis, you understand. So she came to announce that, basically, you understand. And we are sure she hasn't been on drugs, Genesis hasn't been on drugs, you understand. I think it's Bongo having to clear Genesis's name, you understand, out of the mud, because Gabriel wants Genesis down and trap them. Yabona ethumela amaphoyisa ukuthi ahamba aye laphana ayosesha iGenesis laphana ama-boardroom nasema-ofisini yabo, and raid iGenesis, because he believes ukuthi there are drugs there. But I don't think he believes. I think he just made up a story accusing Genesis to let Genesis down, obviously, you understand, in order for a revelation to escalate. But ama-journalists axakekile manje, understand ukuthi why is Maruna suddenly changing the story ekhuluma ngokuthi Genesis imphathe kahle, whereas he signed lapha Revelation Records. But because of Bongo's power, and obviously Maruna would do anything for Bongo, so she had to sacrifice herself to go to the press conference and actually announce what she had to announce, you understand. But some journalists were confused, and Gabriel was actually confused because this radio presenter that he threatened had to bring up an audio for Gabriel to listen and actually see ukuthi Maruna is now lapha Genesis confessing ukuthi Genesis was not involved in any of our drugs. So moving on, Ishmael's career is actually escalating. Bafethu lo mfana wenza kahle lapha Genesis. He is indeed the Genesis golden boy. He's the golden star of the Genesis. So Ishmael bafethu manikhumbula kahle, just last week, he went gold. He went gold ku-album yakhe. Now he went double gold. Oh, what a huge achievement. So the Thabethe family, was celebrating Ubongo wabo Mfundisi. Everyone was celebrating Ubongo. No, not Ubongo, Ishmael, So Ishmael was surprised to see how did he actually reach double gold? With gold last week. Just last week he wasn't gold, but now he's double gold. How did Ishmael actually reach that? So in market yamvuma bafethu with streams and everything in the music circle, and he's actually DSPs are actually approving to him. Shooting the market as a Genesis promoted him to that level, and actually acknowledge his music, you understand. But on the other side, the cat fight between the sisters, the Sedibeng sisters, continue. So Mpumi is actually mad at Maruna for Maruna throwing Gabriel under the bus, because he believes ukuthi Maruna actually tarnished Gabriel's name under the mud, you understand, and betrayed the Revelation Records, and believes ukuthi Mpumi, Maruna should have told her, okay, this is what she's gonna do. She's gonna go to the press conference and whatsoever. But even if Maruna told Mpumi to the press conference, that's the Genesis, Mpumi wouldn't have agreed. That's the thing that's actually like confusing me. Regardless ukuthi Maruna uthini or uzana yephi honest, you understand. So now I'm confused with why is Mpumi mad? But I understand, because Mpumi is Gabriel's partner, and she wants to look loyal in front of Gabriel's eyes, because she is really invested with Gabriel, but she is invested to a villain, a person who's not even invested into her, because but she can't even see that, you understand. So Wendy had to be involved. And guess what? Wendy was like, get into the room if you wanna throw hands at each other, because Maruna also threatened Mpumi and told Mpumi is nothing, she's desperate. She's in the toppest league. Then Mpumi is just nothing. She's inexperienced in this music thing, so she mustn't get involved too much, you understand. And Maruna has been warning Mpumi with Gabriel, but Mpumi is too blind to actually see what she is used. So uwendike bafethu uvela uvele room wathi manifuna ukulwa and throw hands at each other in a room, yenzani lokho enikwenzayo. So you could hear the sound effects if you watched the episode. It was really going down in that room, glass and whatsoever. So I think these people are actually beating each other to hell. But we will see all that in the next episode. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bafethu, ngiyabonga kakhulu.